Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you what are the master data which is relevant to repetitive manufacturing. So if you know what is repetitive manufacturing, in SAP we have different manufacturing scenario like discrete manufacturing, process manufacturing, and the repetitive manufacturing. In repetitive manufacturing, it deals with plan orders. So when we have some kind of production line and we are producing same kind of products, as an example, soap production, soap manufacturing, or the gas cylinder filling. So it has a production line. So this kind of manufacturing relevant to repetitive manufacturing. So it has several master data which you need to create before do any production thing, right? So So today I will cover these areas. First, the material master, not the creation, what are the fields which is important for repetitive manufacturing, and the BOM uh, rate routing. So in repetitive manufacturing, we create not the routing, we create rate routing. Different recall CA21 and the production versions, and the last one is product cost collector. So though this is relevant to CO controlling area, I will explain this one as well. So the first the important things in material master. So I go to MM02 and I select basic data 1 and 2, MRP 1, 2, 3, 4, and work scheduling. So other things, the general data, right? So I give the plant. Basic data 1 is okay. MRP 1 is, to generate plan orders we use MRP type, and the procurement type should be X or E for the finished good. Okay, so I'll make it E. And strategy group. So if you are doing the make to order production, you can select 10. If you do make to stock production, uh, make to stock 10, make to order 20. Likewise, there are many strategies. So I will select make to stock for this example. And the important thing is in MRP4, if this is relevant to repetitive manufacturing, you have to tick this one and you have to select the repetitive manufacturing profile. So I choose this repetitive manufacturing profile. This implies many things. I'm not going to discuss everything here. Okay, so these are the mm, and also the work scheduling also important. This window should be extended in the material master if you use this finished good for production. Otherwise you can't create plan production orders or plan orders. Okay, so here you can put the production scheduling profile if you want, right? So I save this one. Now this part is done. Now I go to the bomb creation. Bomb creation is a CA0 CS01. So I already uploaded a video regarding bomb creation. So here I used CS02 to sorry CS02 to show the bomb which I have created already. Okay, so this is the bomb I have created already. So that part is done. Now we have to create the rate routing. Okay, so I copy the material and I go to T code CA21. This is how you get the rate routing. So normal routing creation T code is GA01, rate routing GA21. Say rate routing relevant for repetitive manufacturing. So you give the material number and the plant, and here you give the usage 1 and the status 4. Then you go to operation. Rest of the things very similar with the normal routing creation transaction, uh, CA01, right? And you give the uh, work center and you give the control key, and if you double click, so here you give the values, say 1 hour, say 12 hour, 1 hour. Can increase the base quantity. Okay, so this is my routing. So I'm going go inside the routing. I want to copy the routing number to create the next master data called production version. So this one is production version. So it has a T code C223, right? So I have uploaded a separate video to create the production version. In there I explain this very detailed manner. Okay, and here I enter the material code zero 2 and I give the version name and the text, and I press enter and I double click. So here I select rate routing and I give the group, and my group counter is 1, and my bomb number, I have only one bomb. So here I should give REM allowed it. So I give my production line, actually no need to give. Okay, now I do the checking part. So okay, there is no errors. So I save it. Now that part is done. Okay, now the last one, the product cost collector. So the T code for product cost collector is KKF6N. Okay, so I go to product cost collector KKF6N. What this product cost collector do, right? So in repetitive manufacturing, so we confirm plan orders, we don't have production orders. After the confirmation of plan order, so it vanishes, right? So in here the product cost collector, what it does is it save the all the cost, planned cost and the actual cost and the variance inside this cost collector. Okay, so at the end of the month we settle this product cost collector. Okay, now to create this one I enter the material number and the plant, and I select this create button, and I enter the order type. Here production version I give, and I select my version. So my version is this. Okay, and I confirm. It's running, it will take some time. Okay, so if I go to the header and this one, now I save. Here you can give the overhead key if you are using overhead cost, right? So I press save. So this is how you do the product cost collector run. So that's it. And one more important thing, in this material master we select the what do you call REM profile. So when you configure the REM profile, it has options to mandatory both product cost collector and cost estimate, right? So cost estimate creation T code is CK40N or CK11N also possible. So in your REM profile, if you make mandatory these two, then you have to create these two master data. But you can create a REM profile, making mandatory this one only. Then you have to create this master data only for the repetitive manufacturing. Okay, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.